Hello guys, my name is Ashish, and as you can see that I already opened the remix compiler or online ID. So now we'll be discussing about the types of the types of variables we have in solid language. Then after that we'll move forward to the modified data types and data structures that we have in solid language. Okay, so let's explore the data type variable types in Solidity. Okay, so for all I'll make a file, name variables.sol syntax for our solid language. And as you already discussed that to start with we just need to specify the license within comments. So this is the license, and in solid language we need to start with pragma solidity and then version. So pragma solidity then version 0.8.0. okay, then we need to start with the contract keyword, and then name. I'm just taking the name variables. Okay, so basically in solid language we have three types of variable. First one is state variables that are going to store permanently in our blockchain or in our smart contract. Then the next one is our local variable. Then the scope of the local variable is only within a function. Okay, and then we have a special type of variable that is called global variable. Okay, and this special type variable is only used when we need to get some information from the blockchain. Then we can use that global variable to get the information about the blockchain or a particular block of a smart contract. Okay, so let's move one by one. Okay, first of all we'll see about state variable. Okay, so we can declare a state variable outside of any functions. I can like that, here I'm just taking an unsigned integer. Okay, so unsigned means you, and int I'm taking a number. Okay, I'm not initializing the value here. Okay, so in previous video I already showed how to initialize the value. We can initialize the value in this line, and we can also initialize the value with the help of constructor and other function also. Okay, so here I'm using the constructor to initialize the value. Okay, so we have constructor keyword, and then in between the constructor we can initialize the value like number. Okay, so number is, let's say it is unsigned integer, so we need to specify a positive value. So let's say it's 10. Okay, so this is the state variable. Okay, and this variable is going to store permanently in our blockchain or in a smart contract. Okay, so this is the state variable. And if we talk about the local variable, then local variable scope is always limited within a function. Like if we use a function like function, we already seen that to use function we need to start with the function keyword itself. Then any name, let get value, and then we just need to specify the public keyword so that we can access this function outside of the smart contract. Then anything, let's say we want to read a particular value, then we can use the view keyword, right? View keyword. And then let's say we want to return something. Okay, so we can use the returns keyword, not return, it returns. Then I want to return unsigned integer, like so unsigned int. Okay, in between I'm taking a variable like integer, normal integer a equals like let's say 10, and normal integer b, let's say like 5. Then I just want to return the summation of this. Okay, so just return a plus b. Okay, just return a plus, I'm just want to return this. Okay, you can see a warning or error because here I wanted to return the unsigned integer, but I'm using the integer. So yeah, I can just modify it to the integer type. Okay, so you can see there is a warning. Okay, and I can see this is need to pure because we are not reading any value that is already specified. Okay, we're just initializing a new value within this function. So for that reason we can use the pure keyword. Okay, so that's it. And yeah, so that is our local that's a local variable that will be only limited within this function. Whenever this function get executed, then the scope of this variable will be finished. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so by the way, I just want to show you one more thing, that is if we use a public keyword here, then in solid language it will automatically generate a getter function, so we can able to see a value of this number. Okay, so that is our local variable. And if we talk about the global variable, then we have global variable like block dot timestamp. Okay, that is basically used to know the time of a particular block in the smart contract. Then we have also message dot sender. With the help of this message, here in solid language we use the short form msg. Okay, msg dot sender. Okay, this will basically used to know the address of the sender which is sending the smart contract or deploying the smart contract. And we also have message dot value to get the value. Okay, this kind of global variable we have in smart contract, and we'll explore more about the global variable. So we start writing our smart contract. Okay, as it automatically handle the compilation, so we can deploy this by clicking this button. Then you can see the success log, and it's providing the results. Okay, and this is the number, you can see that the results. So that's all for today's video, and I think enjoy the video. Okay, and thank you again for watching this video, and bye bye, see you very soon.